This is 65 Whittaker Crescent, right here in Bayview Village, with over 7,000 square feet of luxury living. You've got soaring ceilings, skylights, stunning wall panelings, and designer finishes everywhere. And then the backyard, a true showstopper. Heated saltwater pool with Bayview jets. It feels like your own private resort. If you are in the market for a home at this level, this is the one you need to see. If you own an older property and dreaming of creating something this spectacular, my team and I are just a phone call away.